I've made a mistake. I was right here on this very table, right here, unboxing MacBook Air M5 for you guys. That's all I've got. Simply because I'm a new iPhone user and I was not able to click the recording button. I should have known better, but luckily I'm using my camera, so I recorded a bit. You can see in my face that the regret is killing me. But what are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? I feel like I'm a king. Good job, Apple. Transferring data. Let me check them out, yeah? Let's see if we can transfer from a tablet to this bad boy. ChatGPT, I need your help. I've just had a MacBook Air and M5, and I want the address of file server or a time machine backup, a link for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus so that I could transfer everything onto the Mac Air.